up everybody, TwystidJ here, and I'm going to give you the review of my new record player, which you will see right here. Yes, that's my Audio Technica LP or LP60 belt-driven turntable, stereo turntable, which I paid $150 something with extra speakers that I really didn't have to buy. That I didn't really have to buy because I had my stereo already. And I didn't know if it came with audio, video, or with the connection, which this one actually does. See, to hook up to the auxiliary port. So altogether, really cool one. But I'm gonna start with a lot of my criticisms. One of them, which you're probably gonna say, is going to be the needle slash stylus, whatever you want to call it. It is easily broken. I will admit that. But altogether, not a very bad sounding stereo. For what I paid for it. Yeah, it was $150 something with speakers, but I really didn't need the speakers, so I actually got rid of them. I'm actually going to give you guys a little bit of a sample of what it sounds like, which I probably shouldn't, but altogether, not a bad sound. And just to let you know, I do have my stereo put on to about 16 right now, so that being said, I'm going to have to do this like this. Very clean sounding record. Very clean sounding record. Very simple to use. All you really have to do is if you have a good collection of 10-inch vinyl, you kind of have to do things hand-wise. Other than that, you've got your option, which you will see here. Which actually lets you go from 7-inch to God, what is it called? To 12. Which, yeah, there is no 12-inch or 10-inch combo. Which still not too bad. Keeps it really simple. Then you have your basic setup right here. This being your start, this being your stop, and this being your lift. Then you have your 45 and your 33 right here, which you will notice that it doesn't have a 78, which you really don't need a 78 RPM switch off anyway, because most people don't own 78s. So other than that, I actually love this record player. Even though I did have to go buy a stylus early into owning it. So that being said, I'm TwystidJ, and I want to say thank you guys for watching. And remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and check out my friends Batgirl Jamie and the Juggalo Are Us. And also look for the Let's Are Us kids through my channel and the Juggalo Are Us page. It'll be just a regular playlist. And I'm out, and thanks for watching. Laters. Bye.